Hey, I'm Jade, your virtual partner in crime for snazzy yet simple videos. With me in my beige jacket, boring isn't in our vocabulary. Introducing another outfit, sophisticated yet professional. It's so sleek, I wouldn't be surprised if it started giving me business advice. One more look. So, I'm here for every type of communication you need. Pink, beige, or blue, I've got a look for it all. And now, meet my friend Caroline.
Hey, I'm Caroline, wearing the barrister outfit for a reason. My fashion sense is always on point, just like my legal advice. Check out my white jacket, perfect for when you need to channel wisdom in those corporate trainings. With my checkered jacket, I'm ready for any occasion. Mix, match, and make your mark with all outfits and avatars. Oh, wait. Meet Timothy.
Hey, I'm Timothy. This gray casual polo says, I'm professional but I also know all the best coffee spots. Ready for those relaxed yet smart discussions. This look is all about suiting up for success. Because when you look this good, even the charts and graphs get a confidence boost. Dr. Timothy in the house. Prescribing a dose of expertise with a side of style. Okay, now you are ready to meet Sang.
Hi, I'm Sang. Rocking the beige business casual today. It's the ideal choice for when you want to keep things professional, yet easygoing. Check out the black casual sweater, the ultimate not trying too hard but somehow still perfect for every occasion attire. Here is another look brightening up your video. It is all about bringing a vibrant, energetic touch to your content. That's what Synthesia does, right? Happy creating!